Today is June 3rd, 2022. It is Friday, and today I'm gonna try to make olaf. I don't know. Um, I'm just gonna say that the first time I kind of successfully replicated a character using sculpting was literally how many days ago? I don't know. 4. Um, yeah, and it was just this robot from Wally, and even then you can kind of see like the wrinkles on the head, so it wasn't perfect, and I didn't know how to like draw on it, so I had to make the blue eyes as like a mesh, and it was crazy. But I did end up using sculpting, so I don't know if this is gonna work out, but we're gonna go with it. So yeah. So I'm going to go edit preferences, turn off emulate numpad, control 2 to add a subdivision surface modifier. This can be done by going to modifiers over here in this panel, add modifier, go to the generate column and go to subdivision surface. And then that will do the same thing. Now, the thing that I learned was that if you're going to sculpt, you have to apply the subdivision surface modifier so that it just becomes part of the mesh, because when you don't apply it, it treats it like as if it's not there. Like, yes, you can see it, but it's literally not there, like in the what do you call it, in the essence of things. It's like the same thing with scale. Like, you can change the scale of something and visually you can see that it's bigger, but like in like the program it's not. Like, you have to do control A to apply the scale, and once you apply the scale then it treats it as such scale that it has. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with just doing that, and then I'm gonna go into edit mode by clicking tab, or you could do top left here, object mode, and go into edit mode. I'm going to just select everything. It's already selected, but just in case you can press on A. Like, just in case you deselect, you can press on A to select everything. I'm going to scale it on the Z to have something looking like this. And then I'm going to just, I don't even know. Let me do shift, you know what? Let me do shift D, G, Z to have it something like this. And then I'll make sure to go to object, relations, and make single user just in case it has the same materials, and I'll scale that a little bit like that to scale it up. Alright, so now I'll apply the subdivision surface modifier to both, and I'll shade smooth them. And then I'll go to sculpting mode, and right now I'm using my tablet, my Wacom tablet and pen to do this. I don't know if this is gonna work. I kid you not. I don't know. I've barely used this. This is like, I want to use this, but I've barely done it. So yeah. So we'll start maybe with the mouth. I kid you not. I have no idea how to do this. So fill, flatten, smooth, scrape. Maybe we can scrape. And I don't see anything happening. Great. What if I do like blobs? What now? Like, literally. Let me go into object mode. Oh, it's because did I not have it selected? Oh yeah, it's because I didn't have it selected. Okay, so make sure when you're in object mode, you have the mesh selected, and then you go into sculpt mode. Alright, let me do control Z to have it back where I had it. I'll go into sculpt mode. Alright, so I'm gonna go to front view, right? And then I'll probably do something like, let me do something real quick. Let me shorten this and then enlarge this so that I could see. And then front view, by the way, you get that menu by clicking the button under the escape key. Alright, so I'll do maybe, I don't even know what to tell you. I really don't. Wait, where am I? I'm so confused. Alright, scrape. What is going on? Literally nothing. Oh, there is something happening. I need there to be like a literal hole, like a big, like the mouth needs to be a hole. Let me think. So maybe strengthen the strength or increase the strength. Go to front view. You're kidding me. Sculpt. Something like that. Let me look at it from the side. It looks the same, bro. I don't know what to do. You can see slight changes, but it's not that crazy. Okay, so how about I just start with maybe... Whoa, what is going on? Go into object mode, and I'll do the eye. So Shift A, UV sphere. Scale that down. Move it on the Y. Duplicate. So looks like a ghost. Maybe I should have like a different, maybe like a front view of Olaf. Let me see if I can get a front view. He's always tilting his head. Oh my god, what is this? This is so scary. Like, what is that? Oh, would you look at that? 3D. You know what? I'm just gonna wing it. I don't even know, bro. So, I'll do that, and then, let me see. I'll select both of them by pressing Shift and then selecting, and then G, Y to move it on the Y-axis, which is the green axis there. It literally looks like a ghost. This is like not okay. I think I'm gonna select this one and then edit preferences, turn on emulate numpad, and then I'll do that and then select the face, and then I'll do control minus so it becomes something like that, and then take this one and select the face. Or maybe I shouldn't have done that. I don't even know at this point. I'm so... Okay, and then this, and then control minus, so we can have something like that, right? And then what I would do is do Shift D, and then probably go to modifiers. What happens to the other one? You know what? Okay, let me go Control Z or Control Z to go back to the circles, to the spheres, and I'll do Shift D. No, just this. Shift D, and then make that right eye, or so like right eye copy, and then Shift D again, escape, left eye copy, and then I'll take the actual sphere, which is the right eye, and then this one is the left eye, and then I'll select this and do control minus, and then select this, do control minus. Now it looks like a scary... Jesus, that's so scary. Maybe subdivision. Ugh. That's so weird. No, I don't like it. Looks like squares now. Alright, so maybe what I can do is I can go to sculpt mode, and now that I have that, maybe I can use smooth to smooth things out over here. And then maybe what I can do is fill in some mesh here, but it's like not even working. Great. This looks so weird, bro. I don't know how to do this. Oh, let me apply it. Alright. There we go. So I need to fill some here. There we go. Fill in here. Definitely fill some mesh in here. Some mesh in here. Fill mesh in here. Maybe flatten here. Increase the strength. This looks so weird, like a ghost. Oops. Oh wait, no, that's not what I wanted. Alright, and then fill some in here. And then fill in here. Alright. It's looking horrible. This is the worst thing I've ever done in my life. Maybe we'll just literally focus on the eyes today. So there is another way. Which I have no idea. This is so bad. Oh my god, I'm so sick. Okay, I have no idea what to do right now. I kid you not, I really don't know what to do. Maybe if we, why is it green? Ew, that's gross. Maybe layers. Oh, okay. Oh, alright. So that's messing everything up. Oh, we can add layer. Why is it green? That just disturbs me. Inflate? What is inflate? Oh, clay strips? Oh, interesting. Would you look at that? Clay? Oh, okay, let me do Control Z. Alright. So maybe we'll do the, oh, I can draw, you're kidding me. Like, I completely forgot about that one. Alright, clay. Add some over here, increase the radius. It's interesting because it's like so weird. We can add some here, but then it looks as if so weird. Whoa, what's happening? What I'll do is I'll go into edit mode, object mode, excuse me, and move it a little bit more inside. I kid you not, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is a trial. Let's scrape a little bit here. No, not on the, why does this happen? This. Maybe I should be working with the eyes instead of the mesh. Like a little bit like that. What now? Alright. And then a little bit here. Maybe not that much. What the heck? I kid you not, I have no idea what I'm doing. Did I say that already? Well, yeah, it's true. This is so bad. I want some Olive Garden right now. Like, I want it. Oh my god, I want Olive Garden so bad right now. I want some shrimp scampi. What if I draw? No, it's weird. You know what? This is really weird. I don't know what to do. Object mode. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. Maybe, edit mode. Sculpt mode. Front view. I'm really tired. Let's see, let me scrape. Literally nothing is happening. Okay, this is so irritating. Maybe I should just do this with edit mode because this ain't working out. So I'll take edit mode, right? And I'll probably I'll turn on X-ray, all it said. Right view. You know what? Maybe I'll take just this. And then, oh my god, what? What is going on? Alright. GY, like that. You know what? I give up, literally. Like, what is this? It looks like a dog. You know what? I'm done for today. I can't do this anymore. I need food. And, like, yeah, like, I'm so sick right now. I can't think straight. I'll probably start watching some videos on how to do this because, yeah. Where am I even going right now? Like, where is my stuff? Okay, desktop, Blender. I'm just gonna put it in renders even though it's just a screenshot. Save it as 6.